People talk about analog warmth like a checkbox on a spec sheet. It's not. It's the audible evidence of electricity tearing through physical components. It's the sound of reality. When you push a tube amp, it doesn't just get louder, it saturates, compresses, and blooms with chaotic, beautiful harmonic overtones. Those aren't programmed in imperfections. That's physics. That's the tube-driven truth. Digital emulation plugins are getting scarily accurate, and they're incredible tools, but they're a photograph of a meal. An analog device is the meal itself. It's twisting a physical knob and feeling the sound change the air in front of you. It's the happy accidents, the feedback that swells at the perfect moment, the voltage sag that gives a note that filthy, dangerous character. You can't program that. You have to discover it.